Hey guys, today we're going to be building a Lego vending machine. This is going to be like a tutorial on how to do it. So these are the pieces you're going to need. Yep. So let's get building. First thing you want to do is you want to get this piece right here. And then you're going to want to get this piece and place it right there. And then you're wanting to get this piece, again, the same one, and just put it on the other side until it looks like that. And if you don't have all these pieces, you can make up those pieces with like different pieces. So like I didn't have any free 3x3 tiles, so I just used those two and put them together. But the next step of what you're gonna do is you're gonna want to take this piece, and I think it is this piece, yeah. So what you want to do is you're gonna want to put this piece onto there, and then place this piece there, that piece there, until it looks like that. So that's what it should look like. And then you're gonna want to get one of these, and get this. I know you guys can't see right now, but I'll show you this once I've done this step. So now you want it to look like that. And then you're gonna want to get two of these pieces, put it like that, and then get a 2x2, put it there, and then get your one 4x4 and put it there. And then you want to get your 4x4 tile and place it there. And then you want to get two of these bricks and put them on the side. And get a 2x2 brick, put it right there. And then you're gonna want to get your cheese slip, just that piece, and then you want to make it facing to the inside of it. So like that's the back of it, but then make it face the inside, like that. And then you're gonna want to get this, place it there. I'll show you once it's done. Get your 3x3, stack two of these, and stack another two on this side. So it should look like this. And the next step is we're going to want to get just a 2x2 plate, and then get your 3x3 plate, and then get your 1x1 plate. If you have 3x3 plates, then you can do this, but you can do it with these pieces as well. And then once you've done this, you want to get a brick, put it there, and get another one like that, place it there. So it should look like this. This is like just your second bit. This is the actual mechanism. So yep. And then you're going to want to get a cheese slip. Place it there. And that's what it's going to look like. And once you've done that, you got to grab the little half of the vending machine. And then in the back here, you're just going to want to slide it in like this. Just like that. And then it slides in perfectly. That's what it should look like. If you have all the same color pieces, then you'll do better. But and then you're going to want to get 2 1x1 pieces. And then get a 4x4 plate and put it over the top. And then get a 2x2. Place the 2x2 there, 1x1 there, and then another 2x2. So if you've done all the steps right, it should look like this. And this is gonna be like this the screen bit. So like this is how you're gonna see all like the soda and the vending machine. You can get a blue one or a clear one, whichever one you have. Then you're going to want to get a flat piece. Hang on a sec, guys. Just gotta fix something. I did it wrong for a second, but now I fixed it. And you're going to want to put that there on those tiles. Then once you do it, sorry this is taking a long time, but this is like easily like a 12-minute video. Because like it's a very small, the vending machine, but like there's so many little tiny mechanisms in it. Like so then you're going to want to, oh guys, done this wrong again. Far out, I hate my life. There we go. Now that should look like, once you've done all of those steps, should trying to fix it up, but I'm gonna put a 2x2 plate on there, so it should look like something like that. And then you're gonna get your 3x3. And then in the corner, you're just gonna want to put a 1x1. So pretty simple, like that. And then you're going to want to get this piece, and then you're going to want to put one of these on the top, and then get your 2x2, put it on the top there, and then you're going to want to get this, place it there. So this is like the screen. and you're gonna want to have it facing that way through the inside. Okay, so then once you've done that, you can just put it onto there. Yep, that should be good. So now it should look like this. So that's little money slot and stuff like that. So then you're gonna want to get a 4x4 tile, right? And then you're gonna want to place it. I think you place it here. I'm not sure. Yeah, place it on top, right there. And then it should look like that. Pretty easy, pretty simple. Just like that. Then you get your 2x2. Put it along the top like that. And then you get a 2x2 plate. And put it, I think, that. Put the 2x2 tile right there. That there. That there. And this might click down. But again, cheese slips are key to this. You need like, I think you need like 7 cheese slips. And then you're gonna want to put, you want to get these 2 3x3s. And then get this. And then you need to connect the 3x3s with this. So then you need to place them like that. And then you can just put it on top of the vending machine, because it's only going to be holding by 2 studs. Put that on the back. Voila. You got yourself a working Lego vending machine. Pretty easy, simple build. Just takes a while and needs a couple pieces that most people don't have. You should have most of these pieces, but like starter Lego builders probably don't. So I'll just show you how it works in action. But I'll just go get some other one that I made. There's no difference, but so what you want to do is just open the top like that, and then say you've got like a little Lego Slurpee or something. You put it into the little hole, but make sure that thing doesn't like pop out like that, otherwise the soda falls down. So you need to put it in without it falling, because it just fell for me. And then close it up. There's no way to close it up, it's just like easy and simple. And then there's a little hole right here. You get your Lego money or any 2x2 tile, and then you just push it in. Voila. And your soda falls out. There you go. Working Lego soda machine. Oh, and one other thing. See this thing on the back? Once your money's in there, to get it out, you just push the thing on the back like this. And then your money pops out. thanks guys for watching. If you did stay to the end, I know it was a bit of a boring video, but I just thought I would make a Lego tutorial. If you're new, make sure you like and subscribe if you want to. You don't have to. And thanks for watching. Bye.